Hi guys, today we are going to learn how to calibrate your servo motor to 90 degree. Project that uses servo motor. For that project we need to calibrate all the servo motor to 90 degree before making any project. Projects like tollgate, smart crab robots, any project that uses servo motor. So in your course section of project, go to servo motor calibration code. On that you will be getting this servo motor calibration code where connect your servo motor accordingly with this circuit diagram where connect the GND to GND of Arduino UNO, VC to VCC of Arduino UNO, and a signal pin to pin number 9 of Arduino UNO. After connecting the pin, copy the code and open your Arduino UNO. Paste the Arduino UNO, go to the tool, select the port, and then go to the tool again, go to the board, Arduino board AVR, and then select Arduino Uno. After that, connecting your signal pin to Arduino pin 9, your GND to GND of Arduino, and VCC of VCC to Arduino. Click on upload the button. After uploading the code, your servo motor is ready to use.